In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually import bank statements CSV in Xero. If you need to bring bank transactions into Xero using a CSV file, this is a simple process once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and make sure your statement imports correctly. To get started, sign into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, go to the main menu and open the accounting section. From there, select Bank Accounts. This will take you to the page where all of your connected and manual bank accounts are listed. Next, click on the specific bank account where you want to import the statement. It's important to open the correct account since the transactions from your CSV file will be added there. If you import into the wrong bank account, it can create extra cleanup work later. So take a moment to double check before moving on. Once you're inside the bank account, look for the Manage Account menu and select it. In that menu, click Import a Statement. This opens the statement import screen, where you can upload your CSV file. Now, click Browse and choose the bank statement CSV file from your computer. Make sure you're selecting the correct file and that it's in CSV format, since that's what Xero expects for a manual import. If your bank offers multiple export formats, be sure to use the CSV version. After the file is uploaded, Xero will show you the mapping screen. This part is very important. Review the file mapping carefully and confirm that the date, description, money in, and money out columns are all matched correctly. If the mapping is wrong, your transactions may import with missing amounts or incorrect details. Take your time here, especially if this is your first time importing a file from that bank. Once everything looks correct, click Import. Xero will process the file and add the transactions to that bank account. After the import finishes, review the imported transactions to make sure everything came in successfully. Check for obvious issues like missing rows, incorrect dates, or amounts showing in the wrong column. A quick review now can save time later during reconciliation. Finally, open the reconciliation screen and begin matching the imported transactions. This is where you confirm that the bank statement lines align with the transactions already recorded in Xero. Reconciling regularly helps keep your books accurate and up to date. That's how to manually import a bank statement CSV in Xero. Thanks for watching.